Hey friends, if you encounter the error DNS server not authoritative for zone error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution will be to flush the DNS. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter. It says successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, and this will solve the problem in 90% of the cases. But if it does not, then you can perform a network reset. Now, network reset is a very powerful command, and I'll tell you why. Because when you reset the network, basically it performs all functions like ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, flush DNS, reset winsock, everything. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings and then select network reset and finally click on reset now and then on yes. Lastly, if everything else fails, you can power cycle the modem, router, and the computer. So switch off the modem, router, and the computer. Now switch on the modem only and let it light up. Let all the lights be stable. Then switch on the router only, and finally the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.